Good day, traders. How you doing? What a crappy day today, huh, for the markets. Here I was saying just the other day, oh, they'll be trading. People love to trade. I guess it's a typical Christmas holiday Monday, and the markets are not moving very fast. So we're just going to hop on down to the 1 minute. This is the 5 minute. And see what we can find. Okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go and see. I'm imagining you always find the spike very easily, and that's where it opened, right? Yeah, right on the nose. I always find it with no problem. Okay. What time do I have that set at? 8 o'clock. Okay. Okay, so here's the open right here. This is the NASDAQ. This is the 1 minute time frame, ladies and gents. Okay, 1 minute. You see that up there? 1 minute. Okay. Now, there was divergence to buy here, but we're not going to count that. Come on now. We don't want to trade that craziness in the first half an hour, do we? Nah. But I'll show you the trade just anyway for those of you who are brave. It's right here. Low and lower lows to there. See? I'm sure you can already see the divergence now that I put the line on the chart. Right? And right there. And you would have bought it right the 31. 931, you would have bought it and up it would have went. Right on that candle. It's 931. See? So you would have got in. Your stop would be 15, only 15, 16 points. Did it give you that? Oh yeah, in 1 minute it gave it to you. And that's the end of that. Okay, now let's move on now. Let's do what I call a little skip-a-roo. Like this. Okay. And that's where you would have got in. Oh, I'm already trying to leave my sequence here. And there's the divergence. See that? This one going up. This one going down. Buy right here and up we go. Okay? So how much would have we been able to snag potential-wise? It went up 47 points, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty darn good in that first half an hour. And then we had a high and a higher high. Even though a lot of people fear to trade off the 1 minute, right? Because they think, oh, it's too fast. This is what I used to think, and I would avoid it. But these days, because there's more movement in the markets today than there was like 20 years ago, 15 years ago. You know, like back in 2005, you know, the markets didn't move like this. Well, I never really looked at, well, yeah, these markets here, the indices, they didn't really move that much. They would have a range of like 3 points, 3 to 5 points. Today they have ranges, oh, it could be hundreds of points. So it's definitely a different situation. But I just want to tell you, if you really want to be right, you really want to be looking for setups on a 1 minute time frame sometimes. If the market's moving much faster, you can up it to 5. That's what I do. I trade the 1 and the 5. But just telling you, okay? All right. So here we go. Here's the divergence. Would have got in right here. And look at how it came right back up, and your stop was right there. It missed your stop. Some brokers, they would have came up and tagged you right there and hit your stop. But anyway, she went down, okay? And then, this is at 11 o'clock. Down she goes, lower lows. and down she goes. So we have a trade right from there all the way down there. We got long in here. And up it went, 34 points, eh? Yeah, and there's the current price now. So if you traded the 1 minute, you've done well. Let's move on. We're going to look at the S and the P now. There was a trade on the S and the P on the 5 minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's right. See, my my dyslexic is kicking in again. I'm confused. Oh, these damn. Maybe one day my dyslexia is going to come in 100%, and I won't be able to do these videos anymore because I'll be finding the opposite of what I'm looking for. I hope not, but anyway. So it had jumped in right there, somewhere in there. Your stop would have been very small. 3 points, and it went up 7 points. So you would have got 2 to 1 in here in 10 minutes. Okay, let's move on. The Dow. Oh, see, look at the Dow, man. Look at that. Look at the range of the Dow. It's only like 100 points. See that? You know, when there's only 100 points with the Dow, there ain't nothing happening. And you see lots of wicks and sticks and giggly chicks. See all these wicks and sticks? Ah, yeah. But that's divergent. That is divergent. Okay? And it's right from here to here. And here to here. And we would have got in right here. And went up 75 points. Gotta like that. But look at it before that. Right? It was a mess. It was a mess, man. They just chop people up like chop liver. Liver's good. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar. Pound dollar, it's not moved very much either. What's its range? 60 pips. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to go to the 1 minute and try and find. I just don't want to waste your time with that today. Let's just look at the whatever quick trades we can so we can all get on with our day, because I need to get outside and do some stuff. So get some stuff done. So there's a trade there. A low and a lower low. That's easy to see bullish divergence. Okay? Okay. And we marked it all off. It went up 14 pips, and our stop was 9 pips. So we would have got our 1 to 1. Then it made a double top, as you can see. Yeah. Or a, yeah, it was a trade, but anyway, it was a failure. Let's just say it was a failure. So we have a high, and then there's no trade here. Well, yeah, there was. Hold on, let me show you. So there could have been a trade here. It was a small loser. Okay, just pointing that out. I'm not trying to skim past it and hide it or anything like that. Here's the double top. It's all on the same mountain peak. It's not, it failed. You would have got out right here. So anyway, then your next trade was a sell also, but it's a high and a higher high. See? This first one right here where you sold right here, that was a loser. Okay, I'm not trying to hide any setups here. I don't do that bullshit. Anyway, and the entry was right here. Okay? Right in there. Right on the opening of this candle. You would have got short. Your stop would only be 8 pips on the pound dollar. And it went down 30 points, 30 pips. So it was good. Let's move on now to the euro. Oh, scratchy euro. There's a trade in the UK session. Wow, look at this. Look at this. 3 amigos. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Your entry would have been right here. Sure was a crappy day to trade today. And here I was just saying, oh, come back next week. It's going to be good. There's news tomorrow and the next day. So tomorrow and, the next few days should be good. This is what I'm saying. If they're like this tomorrow and the next day, wow. Then they're really not moving this algorithm. That's all I can tell you. There's no trade here to buy. Let's move on. Pound yen. Excuse me. Talking, so Hakalugi starts coming. The Hakalugi Boogeyman comes. Hakalugi Boogeyman. Okay. I know, I'm a little fucking crazy, I know. Hey, how's it going, eh? Okay, what do we have here? Oh, yeah, we do. We have a low and a lower low. This is in the UK session. Okay. And we would have got in here, right here. And it went up 27 pips on the pound yen. Yeah. We have another trade. Look. We have more trades. We have more. No, I need the line. The line. Wait a minute. It's like this. Yeah. See, I'm getting confused here. I just woke up too. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I slept in today. Couldn't sleep last night. One of those nights. You know, the nights that we can't sleep, we're thinking about something. Anytime anybody says to me, oh, I'm so tired, I didn't sleep last night. And I say, what were you thinking about? And they look at you and they don't tell you because it's something they don't want to talk about. Yeah. And then they go, oh, you don't want to say? I say, you don't want to say what you're dreaming about, what you're thinking about? They go, no. I go, well, if you want to go to sleep, stop thinking about stuff. Then you'll go to sleep. Most of the time. Okay, I'm talking too much. Sorry. Okay, right here. But that's why you come here, to listen to me talk, right? 12 pip stop on the pound yen, and it went up 29 pips. You think, oh, is there another hidden divergence trade here? No, because this valley needs to be deeper than this one. See? Just like this valley here is deeper than this one over here. See? That would make it hidden, hard to see divergence, what I call it, hidden divergence. I keep saying hidden divergence, then hard to see divergence, because I want to make sure people understand what I'm saying, because I renamed it. I renamed all of them, because I wanted to make my divergence course unique, all on its own, okay? Like, these 2 moving averages that I use, they're unique. Nobody else uses them. If they use them privately. I mean, like on YouTube or whatever, nobody uses these 2 moving averages. A lot of them use the 20. I used to use the 21, but I realize now that they're too far out. They're not going to help you right here, right now, like these 2 moving averages. These two moving averages are very close, the 5 and the 7. Now, if I put the 21 on, it's going to be way the fook over here, down here. You see what I mean? It's too delayed. It's lagging. Moving averages are lagging to begin with. That's why, you know, I use two moving averages very close to each other, and they work very, very well. Out of all, I've always traded with moving averages ever since I was a little kid. No, I'm kidding. Ever since I started trading in, well, I started trading 2001, but I didn't look at platforms with charts and candles and moving averages until 2005. So the first 4 years, it was all call-in orders to the trade desk of my broker, which was in downtown Chicago, Illinois, and the name of the broker was called Aileron Trading. There you have it. Okay, let's get back to this. There's no divergence here to buy, but what did we have up here? We had a double top. What if you wanted to trade the double top after slowly, you know, going up the foothills up to the top? I don't know, because I guarantee you, if I'll show you, there's the double top, okay? Now, let me show you, where would the sell be? The sell would be on the opening of this candle. I guarantee if I go, this is the 5 minute. I guarantee if I go on the 15, the 5 is going to be above the 7. Let's check it out. See right here? The 5 was above. See? The 5 was just coming down to cross, but it didn't cross until the next candle. So if you use this as your filter, you wouldn't have sold here. But if you did sell here, yeah, it's working out. It's working out there, buddy. It's working out. Anyway, here's that divergence right here for the double top up here, okay? And it went down, yeah, as you can see. If you like the sell, it went down 24 pips. Let's take a look at the EJ now, the Euro Yen. Oh, look, it's just a constant trend up, and I see one trade. With this pullback to there, and right here to right there. See, if you would have got long here, where did it go? Nowhere. Nowhere, man. Nowhere. Let's move on now to gold. Oh, God. Gold moved much better. Oh, not really. Gold is crap. How about we do this? Look, look, look. This is what I think of gold. There. That's what I think of gold. Let's move on now to oil. Okay, oil. Was there a trade? There was one that I can see that made sense to me. It's right here. Down, down, okay? And up. And you would have got long right there, okay? And it went up like 120 points to there. But now we have to show one of our doodahs. Lower close, buy it right there. And up it goes. Here's another one in the next candle, buy it right there, up it goes. Here's another one here, there's like 3 of them right here. And that's what I see. So you had a few trades on oil, but there's one right there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. What's a crappy day to trade, ladies and gentlemen? I'm so sorry about that. What can you do, right? What can you do? Hopefully you were buying when you should have been buying, and hopefully you were selling today when you should have been selling, right? Because if you were buying when you should have been selling today, it didn't work out for you. Or if you were selling today when you should have been buying, it didn't work out. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I really appreciate all of you to come here every day and watch my setups. I'm so happy to share them with you. I know they work pretty darn well because I trade them myself. So anyway, please be kind and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I've gotten quite a few more subscribers, at least another 15 or 20 in the last, I don't know, month and a half or month or so since I last said that. And I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing. Next year should be a really good year. So we got lots more trade setups to go. And we have new trade setups now, the smack up and the smack down. And we have the, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. We have those trades. And we have the divergences. The higher highs, sells, divergence, the lower lows, to buy, divergence. We have all kinds. And we have double tops, double bottoms, and we have hidden divergence setups too. Bullish and bearish. All bullish and bearish. So there's like 8 or 9 or 10 different setups here to trade from that I trade. And they're genuine setups. It's not just like me going, okay, it's going up. I think it's going to go up. Yeah, I think it's going to go up. I'm going to buy now. And it goes down. I don't do those kind of trades. Before I even click the button, I need a reason to get in the trade. If I do not have that reason, I don't buy or sell nothing. And that's the way you should look at it. Because if you just look at the market and, and assume to think that it's going up, you're going to lose on that trade probably. It's gambling, So there's a saying in trading, and it's this. Trade what you see, okay? What you see on the chart, right? Trade that. Trade what you see, not what you think. That's the saying. So if you're assuming, I think it's going to go up, I'm going to buy, that's not trading what you see. That's trading what you assume to think. You see what I'm saying? So trade what you see, not what you think. All right. Have a great day, traders. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.